Uh, you must be thinking, what is this guy doing? He's going on and on and on and on. But I like expressing myself this way, doing documentaries, taking photos, and I'm sharing, I'm sharing my life with you right now. So maybe this is a way that I'm like showing the world who I really am, and I just love doing this. But okay, let's say something more interesting and real. I run away from home because I'm gay, and because all my brothers and sisters like have kids and my friends, and I was like, okay, it's time to do my life. So I moved to New York 10 years ago, and they are being the best years of my life. The scary part is that everybody lives so fast in New York that, I mean, I arrived here when I was 24 or 25, and I turn around and now I'm 35. So that's a little scary. And I'm single, I date people here and there, but I want to settle down, but maybe when I'm in my 40s. Right now I'm just having fun being myself, meeting people, and hopefully something good will come out of this video. It's just one day of my life, and it wasn't so exciting. I mean, it was my birthday, but sometimes, I mean, like major things happen, and unfortunately when you have your camera with you, they don't. Those things happen when you don't have your camera with you. So I know I did a little dancing, a little striptease. Hopefully this won't be like against me, but I was just having fun and being myself. And what else can I say or do? um, should I sing the last song of the night for real? This time, the last song. I know I'm not a singer or an actor, but I love that. I love expressing myself that way. So let me sing a last song with a candlelight, okay? You want the candlelight? Here we go. You think that I can't live without your love. You'll see. You think I can't go on another day. You think I have nothing without you by my side. You'll see somehow, someday. All by myself, I don't need anyone at all. I know I'll survive, I know I'll stay alive. I'll stand on my own. I don't need anyone this time. It will be mine. No one can take you from me. You'll see. You'll see. Ooh. It's okay. This is the last goodbye that I say. I know I have said like 5 times goodbye. And hope that this video make it somewhere. Maybe in the internet, and YouTube or something. I have fun doing it and sharing my 35-year-old, and this will be with me forever. And maybe when I'm 50, I'll say, wow, I was cuckoo when I was 35. So I'm enjoying it anyway. Happy birthday! That was the last candle I blew this year. Adios, amigo.